Welcome in the laboratory to another episode where we try to share some knowledge. This time I want to talk about how you can bend styrene without heating it up. And this how we make it. First we have our little styrene sheet, and as you all know, if you bend it too much it will just make a kink. So what we're gonna do is take our handy dandy helping knife and a ruler, and like always, I just do that for demonstration purpose really quick, but you take more time. They narrow those cuts that I will make now are the more round you will have you bend. So what you're gonna do, you take your hobby knife and you make not a cut, but you just kind of scratch the surface, and you do that a few times. So now after you did that, we're gonna zoom a little bit in. So now you see here like your scratches, and they're not all the way through, right? So now you can bend that, and you're gonna see where it all leads because of the consistency of styrene. You get now where those scratches where it opens, and you get a nice bend, and you can bend it wherever you want, and this is how it goes. Of course, now the surface will here, you can see that, will open these little gaps. Well, you sand that, you fill it up with filler, and then you have a perfect round bend. But this was the tip of this week.